Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and play eFootball on your PC for free. Just you should watch and follow this video till the end. First, you have to open your Chrome and search for this. Download Steam. Search for it and click on this link and click install Steam. And then you have to install it. As you can see, when you install it, it's going to launch here, and right now I will open it, and you have to create an account. After creating and signing, it's going to show you here their store. So right now what you have to do, just go to the search bar and search for eFootball. Click on eFootball. As you can see, it's free, it's not bad. And what you have to do, click play game and click install. For me, I don't have enough space, so I can't install it. For you, you can do it. So when you will install it, you will play it for free. And that's all, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.